Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. All praise is due to you, O Allah, the Lord of all worlds, the most gracious, the most merciful, the master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we turn to for help. Guide us in the straight path, the path of those whom you have blessed, not those who have gone astray. O Allah, the most merciful, the most just, the eternal guide of our hearts. As we stand before you today as a united body, gathered for this National Assembly of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, who raise our hands in humility, seeking your guidance, mercy, and blessings. We acknowledge that your leadership is a trust, a heavy responsibility that we carry not for ourselves, but for the people we serve. Ya Allah, you know the struggles we have endured, the sacrifices we have made, and the challenges we have faced. We have done our best to live with justice, with wisdom, and with sincerity. But we are human and we are flawed. If we have erred, forgive us. If we have fallen short, guide us back. If we have led with sincerity, accept our efforts and multiply the rewards. O Allah, unite our hearts in service to our people. Let not power corrupt us. Let not pride mislead us. And let not division weaken us. Remove in vain arrogance and selfishness from our ranks, and replace them with humility, integrity, and compassion. Make us leaders who are just, who listen to the cries of the oppressed, and who lead with righteousness. Let us be remembered